Okay, so the last piece of this is recognizing how these different pressures are going to interact on the map. So what we find, oh, I have an arrow going the wrong direction right there. What we find is the air goes out from a high and into a low. So the air from here, again, the air up here is trying to fill in the low spots. So the air right here is going to go out, and it's going to go across the city, and it's going to go into the low, kind of like this. Now what that means is that here at the city is going to have a wind, and the wind is going to be going from the southeast. And so the city would be experiencing a southeastern wind. Over here at the farm, I'm going to try to draw the farm here. All right, so at the farm, the wind is going out from the high and into the low. So like this. Right here, I'm not exactly sure, but basically to me it looks like the wind is basically going like this. And so this would be a western wind. Okay, real quick review. We're going to do the windmill patterns on a high and a low. So again, the real trick to doing windmill pattern is start off by doing an R and a J, an R and a J, and then complete the windmill. Make sure that your parts of the windmill are going the same direction. All right, so again, winds go from a high to a low. So on the high, they have to be going outwards. On a low, they have to be going inwards. So the things that you need to connect with a high pressure. A high pressure is colder air. It's sinking air. It is moving counterclockwise, or no, sorry. Okay, so the thing you want to remember about a high is that a high is sinking air because it's cold. It's moving clockwise. And it's moving outwards. A low pressure system is rising air because it's warm. Warmer and colder. It is rising. It's moving counterclockwise. Ran out of room. And it is moving inwards. And there's a review of high pressure locations and low pressure locations.